Alright, what's going on YouTube? I'm back here with my 03 F-150 and I put on an iron cross bumper, a new light bar, little round light cubes, and an aftermarket trans cooler because I was having trouble with my old trans cooler. Well, it was kind of new, but it was kind of leaking by on the quick connects and I didn't want to deal with the quick connects, so I just got rid of that. As you can see, I put 17 by 10s. I've been running them kind of without the cap. I didn't like the cap because it didn't make it look as wide as it is without that. I'm thinking about painting all the inside black, getting some black lug nuts, but of course 35 by 1250 17s. Ooh, I do need to clean these. They're kind of dirty, but when they do shine up, they look perfect. And it's been a while since I filmed, but I put in a 3-inch body lift on the whole truck. And those 17 by 10s gives a little bit of stance. Of course, I have the 2-inch spacers, hub-centric. And I did quite a bit of work on this truck lately. Of course, with the iron cross bumper, I bought it. It was off, I guess, an F-250, and I had to cut it back, kind of trim it up the way I wanted it to fit. Did some metal work to it, of course, and I got it looking like this. But yeah, body lift, of course, looks pretty good besides this, but I really don't mind it. I just need to paint up the frame and clean it up a bit. And I also put some new taillights, 8-inch drop hitch, and a new toolbox in the bed. And of course the third brake light smoked out. It looks pretty good. I just need to switch these to LED and they'll be amazing. But yeah, let me give you another walk around of the truck. She's looking pretty decent so far. So it's on a 5-inch rough country lift, 3-inch zone body lift. I don't know if you can see the stance right there. But overall, the truck is looking pretty good. I just need to do a little bit more work to it, and I guess I'm finally done with this truck. There you go, the 17 by 10 negative 24s. I put Rancho shocks all around. Just need to clean up the frame a bit. And let me open her up real quick. Unlock it. And I did this right here because the paint was kind of peeling on it and it started to look bad. Let me show you the back seat. I have my firefighting gear right here. I got the caps all right here in the back. Of course, with the nuts and everything. I kind of haven't really messed with it. Oh, don't want to drop that. But those are the moto metal caps right there. I guess I'll put them on one day. But for now, I like it just like that. Ooh. I guess I went to a car wash and it got scratched up. It'll buff out real easily, fairly easily. And I also tinted out the back glass. It's like double tinted, I think 5% and 20%. But yeah, the truck is coming along real nicely. I love the new rims. Gives it quite a good, fair amount of stance. The new bumper, of course, it's a winch bumper. I need to paint the inside. It's kind of rusting out. I just primed it. I didn't really care too much about it, but now I do because I see how bad it's rusting. So I'm gonna have to paint that, put on the new winch when I get it, and she'll be done. Well, there you go. Here she is. All right, so I'm driving it right now, and I also bought this programmer, the SCT programmer. I got my battery voltage, the load, coolant temperature, trans temp, RPM, and vehicle speed on here. Whenever I got the 35s, I did have to kind of calibrate it to adjust to the 35s, but at the calibration, it's still off 2 miles an hour. I couldn't really fine tune it there, but hopefully you could hear the exhaust. Sorry about the phone being shaky. I'm having some front end issues right now, and this thing kind of bounces around whenever it hits a little bump. You can see the steering wheel going like that a little bit. I need to get that addressed, but either way, the truck is running pretty decent. Gas mileage is like 11 or 12 mpgs, depending on how I drive it and how bad the wind is. But overall, I'm enjoying the lift. I just wish I would have gone with the zone or anything else besides rough country, because rough country, it rides pretty rough. Even with the Rancho shocks on, because I got rid of the rough country shocks. They were kind of crappy. But the Rancho shocks, they seem to help. Airing down my tires seem to kind of help somewhat. But either way, it still rides like crap. I also put on that body lift. The body lift somehow made the truck ride a bit better. She doesn't bounce as much, and the bumps feel like it's less. Like, you hit a bump and it doesn't bounce around as much, and the impact on the cab doesn't feel too bad. But yeah, let me stop real quick and pull over, because I wanted to talk about one more thing. So I'm trying to get my subscribers up to about 1,000, and I was wondering, to get more subscribers, if y'all would like to do this one deal. I'm making these lanyards right here, these keychain lanyards, and I have this little monkey's fist that I make. And I was wondering, like, for every say 50 subscribers, I'd have y'all comment on the video, and I'd send y'all one of these through the mail. And for every 100 till I get 1,000, I'll send y'all one of these keychains right here. These paracord keychains right there with the detachable end. And help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And like my video, like my other videos, watch them, check them out, and tell me what else y'all would like to see about this truck. Peace.